guys, as you can tell, we got the YXZ in here this weekend. We're going to do a little bit of work to it. I actually bought an enclosure kit off a semi-local woman on Facebook. Fitment obviously ain't the best. Had to do over, I'd probably buy the Yamaha kit, because by the time I bought buttons and snaps to put these on, I've got just as much of these as I would the Yamaha kit. As you can tell, we have some Mustang parts in. Ended up ordering a Rhodes race car 10-point cage. Sure, me and Dave's going to modify it some to make it fit my car better. But let's get to making these windows fit. I ended up ordering some buttons, some snaps off eBay. I'm gonna drill and put those on and see how that works out. Go. Buttons don't look too bad. Getting in and out of the machine. You just kind of unzip the window, reach in, zip the window back up. There you go. That's not too bad. Get out. Guess you gotta do the same thing in reverse, right? Unzip the motherfucker. Back out. Damn it. Been thinking that's dog shit the whole time. I just stepped in it. Obviously, the yard's real muddy. Tires like to pick up some shit. Hope it's not dog shit anyway. There you go. That's the Homemade YXZ enclosure that I'm using on my machine. Alright, that's all you get for this episode. Showing you how I done my windows on the YXZ. That's hopefully next week we'll get to start back on the Mustang. Put this in. So, you want to see updates on that, make sure you follow, subscribe, hit the like button, all the YouTube stuff you're supposed to be doing, or I'm supposed to be getting you to do.